Hi, I'm Dr. Jeffrey Brannon. I'm a gastroenterologist working with Ottumwa Health Clinics, focusing on problems with the digestive tract. Hepatitis C is a virus that mainly affects the liver. Most people who get infected cannot get rid of the virus without medical treatment. Hepatitis C is generally spread through blood, contaminated with the virus. The most common way hepatitis C is spread is through intravenous drug use with sharing contaminated needles. Over time, chronic hepatitis C can lead to liver damage, bleeding problems, confusion, swelling of the abdomen, and eventually may require a liver transplant. The treatment for hepatitis C has changed dramatically over the last several years. The treatment is generally shorter, with far less side effects. It works much better and only requires blood testing before treatment is given. If you are infected with hepatitis C, or think you might be, I would recommend you seek medical care through a specialist like me.
This Medical Minute is brought to you by Ottumwa Surgical Associates.